Saat kaara vähän päälle.
Ooh. Careful.
Back.
Yeah. Amazing. Did there used to be water in here? The water in here before?
When the raining season,
Ah.
too much the raining have a little bit water, but
Wow.
not a lot.
Yeah. That's cool, thank you.
Not same like a waterfall about like that.
Yeah.
I think they're embarrassed not with the voice. Eikö se ole hyvä asia? Musta tuntuu, että mulla on täällä, koska täällä ihmiset on niin paikat.
That is amazing. Flipping out, I could never.
Imagine if you let go.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
It's now little when the raining season every time. That's one also.
Oh nice.
Not people make here.
Oh wow.
Just the water from there. I don't know how long it take for water cut to the rock.
That's cool. Oh my god, it looks like it's floating.
We're gonna sleep so good tonight.
That's so cool camera.
It's filmed.
I was planning to take
Yeah.
like some kind of camera as well.
I just figured might as well bring it. Because I feel like, you know when, like, when I'm trying to speak with my nose covered. Like when we were kids, like our parents would film on like camcorders. And we don't really do that anymore.
Yeah. You have siblings?
No, do you?
Yes, I have like 3 elder brothers.
3? Are you the youngest?
Yeah.
Oh, baby of the family.
Yeah. How old are you?
29. How old are you?
Actually, I'm turning 25 next week.
Oh, happy birthday for next week.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's so like surreal. To turn 25.
Yeah, 25 is a big one. I don't want children, but when I turned 25, I was like, oh my god, I need to have kids. I'm running out of time. So silly.
Halfway to my sleep.
Yes, halfway there. Did you?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I just saw rocks. That's cool. Hey mom. This is amazing.
Have you watched H2O?
Yeah. Yes.
It's like the moon pool.
It is like the moon pool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's such a great thing. God, it's gorgeous.
These rocks are beautiful.
Wow, that is cool. Is there fossils in it? Like, can you see shell shape? I don't have my glasses, so I can't. I can't see. Oh my god!
That's crazy. I've never seen that like where I was swimming.
That's amazing.
Oh, there's another one. There's a baby version.
Maybe. Wow.
Here.
Oh my god. Tiny, tiny, tiny.
Matias, voitko sit ottaa sellaisen 0,5 vaan kun whiskittelin tuossa matkassa. Sillä tälleen, että mä oon mun perseen tän kautta.